Hey everybody, it's Bruce with Nature Calls, and I've added a few lightweight summer bags to the inventory, and one that I've been using already this year that I've really been impressed in so many ways is this Kelty Cosmic 40 down sleeping bag. It's a mummy style sleeping bag, and they actually have gotten pretty successful with their no snag zipper. It has a neat little stash pouch right in the front right there. They did a nice little box end where the feet are, so your toes aren't scrunched up. Of course, to keep the cost down, they use a 550 fill down, which, yeah, that's not the top, but when you actually make gear like I do, and if you're trying to make a summer bag out of, say, 850 fill or 900 fill in lightweight fabrics, it's the difference in weight as opposed to cost is ridiculous. So I think this is a really good option. The outer fabric is a 20 denier, nice and soft. On the inside, they use a 50, which I thought was really interesting. They're using, so you're not gonna wear this fabric down. It's less prone to tears and stuff, but I've never really thought about putting a stronger fabric on the inside than the outside, but that's what they did. It's pretty kind of cool. Here you can see their anti-snag, which a lot of sleeping bag people talk about, but they actually have this ribbon here, which just is, as far as like anti-snag, it's fantastic. And when you do a lightweight bag, you're not doing like the box construction or trapezoidal construction or any of those where you're trying to gain loft, because you're also gaining weight when you do that, but you don't need to do that with a lightweight summer bag. So this is sewn through, so that sew goes all the way through. So you're going to lose some insulation from that, but this bag's designed for summer. The head, if you do get cold, you can put this whole cowler under your head, and it has just on this one side the ability to tighten that all up around you, and it works really super well. So if you are going to be down at their lower limits, which is, I think it's something like 15 degrees, which I would not recommend with this bag. 40 is a 40-degree bag for comfort. I think it's 30 is their kind of their limit, and then if you're in a really crappy situation, something like 15, but I wouldn't push it with this bag. But oh, this is 600 fill. I think the new ones are 550. Another nice thing for being a summer bag, they actually have a two-way zipper, so you can actually vent your feet out down here at the bottom, and they have a nice little thing to keep the air in if you want. But I mean, that's a nice touch. Good heavy-duty zipper. Yeah, this bag's going to last a long time. They also have the ways to strap your sleeping bag onto your sleep mat. And then they have some real nice, convenient ways to hang your bag up with a hanger. So down here at the foot end. It does come with a stuff sack, and I do like it because it's a little bit looser, so you don't have to have trouble getting your sleeping bag in it. It's easy. It's something like 7 by 11 inches the way it is, but it can squish down. It's basically like the size of an Nalgene. So when you put it in your pack, it will squish down if you want it to. Now on their website, they actually have this listed for $109, I think. So for a down bag, lightweight, well-constructed, $110, $109. You can get them on sale too. Fantastic bag. Yeah, and I have quite a bit of Kelty gear. Kelty gear has been around for a long time. They, of course, started off as a cottage company at one point in time. And they also, they just build as high quality stuff as you can get, but keeping the price low. I've got Kelty tents, Kelty backpacks, other Kelty sleeping bags. My Galactic sleeping bags I've used for years, love them. I'll put a link up there for them. But they, yeah, great for like if you've got it's the old-fashioned 2 rectangles that you can zip together. Yeah, I think the Kelty Cosmic, and actually all their Cosmic line, they have the Cosmic 20 and the Cosmic 0. Different construction techniques on the 20 and the 0. But as far as like their price for what you get is, you know, if you're on a budget or if you're just starting out, I think they're a great investment.